Hello guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. My name is Olympio Tons, and yeah, thanks for joining me here. Thanks for watching this live trading session, a free trading session today, because this live webinar is also public in our YouTube channel. Yeah, it's also for our free members. That's why I'm waiting for your messages, for your questions. Yeah, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, if you want me to talk about, I don't know, Anir. Hi, how are you? Ahmed, hello. How are you guys? But first of all, before we'll start this free trading session, live trading session, here is the disclaimer. Muhammad, how are you? So as you already know, as always, please read the disclaimer, please consult it. It's important for you to understand the risks before, I don't know, trading on a financial markets or something like this. And if you have questions, guys, you can email support, okay? Okay, guys. So also, if you are only a free member, if you want to join us, you can access the link posted right below this video, and for only £35 per month you can become a VIP member. Okay, so let's take a look. Maybe personally I will start with US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, only because yeah, Ali, where's the crude oil and USD CAD going? We'll take a look on those markets. Ali, we'll take a look on US oil, on US dollar, Canadian dollar, on the, yeah, on all markets. Sayed, Hassan, hello. Anir, before I pay subscription, I want to know last week total PIP for Forex. Please tell me. Ali, how about Dow Jones after Russian military? Yeah, Ali, I will take a look on Dow Jones, on the US 30, on US 100, on US 500, on US equities. We'll talk about gold, silver, yeah, also about Forex major pairs, about yeah, commodities, cryptocurrencies as well, indices. So first of all, and as I've said earlier, I wanted to take a look on the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, okay? Because as you can see here on 1 hour, or let's take a look on 4 hour, guys, something like this, yeah. Former lows here, yeah, support, potential support zone, demand area here between 1.3445, 1.3419, okay? But yeah, right now it's premature to talk about the potential new leg higher, because staying here, pressuring this support zone could also signal an imminent breakdown and potential downside movement. So yeah, personally I'm looking at something like this here on the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. I'm talking about this market only because personally yeah, I want to catch something really good if the dollar index will turn to the upside. Yeah, as you already know, if you are a VIP member, of course, earlier today I've sent you guys a short video talking about the US dollar, about the dollar index. So US dollar breakdown only for VIPs. I've talked about this maybe symmetrical triangle or something, retreat, sell-off right now, but please take a look here. Yeah, 95.75, 95.51 as support levels. But yeah, personally I want to see something like this here, test, retest, false breakdowns or something, sideways movement before something like this. And if this scenario will take shape here, yeah, I want to search for new US dollar longs, yeah, long opportunities. I want to buy the US dollar, okay? Because I don't know, maybe the price could only retest all these here before jumping higher, yeah, because as you already know, the Federal Reserve is expected to hike rates soon. So yeah, maybe fundamentally, yeah, higher inflation in the US is not good for the currency, but the trader specialists are expecting the Federal Reserve to take action soon, to hike rates, to hike the federal funds rate, yeah, in March, yeah. Also to end maybe its quantitative easing QE program, pandemic QE, and yeah, only because the Federal Reserve is expected to increase its federal funds rate, the US dollar could I don't know, start increasing, appreciating again or something. So personally I'm looking at something like this. So US dollar, Singapore dollar first of all, and then we'll talk about gold. We'll take a look on gold because Orlando's longs trades in gold are in deep profit, hundreds of pips in profit for the VIP members. Yeah. And of course, Orlando will come back with his updates, yeah, with his trade management. But yeah, really good profit on gold since last week. Hundreds of pips on gold. So yeah. Romeo, is he only gonna do analyze or also place some orders? Yeah, if I'll find something, I will also open trades as I did in my previous webinar. Yeah. So yeah, if I'll Romeo, if I'll find something really good as a high probability trade, personally, I'll take a look. Anir, no. Personally, I'll take a look on all markets, and if I'll find something, I will open a trade for me, for myself, and I will share my trade, maybe only with the VIP members, maybe, or even if I will share my trade here with the free members, you will not get my trade management. So yeah, it's important for you to become a VIP member to get all my trades, my trade management. Even if I'll share my trades with the free members, will not have my my trade management, which is really important, because you will not know what to do with that trade. Yeah. So something like this, I've told you, support zone, demand area, and here personally I've had something like a small channel. Yeah, let's take a look on 1 hour. Something like this, but yeah, it has registered only false breakouts here above the weekly pivot point 1.3451. So false breakout with great separation signaled potential drop, but as you can see here, guys, it has retested the uptrend line, the immediate uptrend line, this support zone here. Let's wait, guys, because in my opinion, staying above the weekly S1, above the uptrend line, and escaping from the minor down channel or something, a valid breakout or something, or jumping here and stabilizing above the weekly pivot point, a new higher high here, maybe jumping, closing, and stabilizing above the immediate highs could signal bullish reversal. So I'm looking at something like this. I'll wait for confirmation here, because I'm in a support zone here, and I really want to catch something like a new upside movement here. Yeah. So 1, 2, and 3 here. Yeah, a descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3 drop. It has found support on the medium line of the descending pitchfork, rebound, and right now a strong sell-off, maybe only because yeah, unfortunately, I've told you, or actually let's take a look on the economic calendar. Unfortunately, the US unemployment claims, this indicator, reported worse than expected data in the last week. Fed manufacturing index far below expectations. Yeah, also housing starts worse than expected, only building permits reported better than expected data. So let's wait, guys. Yeah, because I've told you, we are at support here, or actually I'm at support here, and I'm looking for long opportunities, for new buying opportunities. But I'll wait maybe for something like this, maybe for a sideways movement here, test, retests. Yeah, and something like this, also very breakout above the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, new higher high could signal potential growth. Yeah, so maybe I also have something here. So this could be my setup, guys. Yeah, settings, so something like this. Yeah, maybe I will what, Derek, Ascent Gold. Yeah, Hi Orlando, do you think Ethereum will bounce back and how long? It's not Orlando, I'm Olympio. So yeah, maybe Orlando will go live tomorrow or something. So maybe this will be my my setup, yeah, here for US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. But as I've said, I'm still waiting for confirmation. And here you don't have my levels, only only because maybe I will share my setup, my trade only with the VIP members. Maybe after a valid breakout here, after I will get confirmation also on the dollar index. Okay, so yeah, maybe I will if I'll decide to go long, maybe I will place a buy stop order, a pending order, and maybe I will hide my stop loss here or here below this former low or something. I'm still undecided here on this market, and potential upside target could be here, maybe around this downtrend line or something. Okay, so please take a look. Yeah, former lows, support area, support zone, but we'll still need confirmation. Okay, so Sylvester, I'm not Orlando, I'm Olympio, and I will take a look on Ethereum as well if you're interested. So let's take a look on gold. Yeah, gold, I will talk about the US dollar, US oil, silver, yeah, US equities. So a strong upside movement here in gold. Yeah, and if you remember, I've talked about something like this here, and also maybe after this drop here, and right now the price of gold really is edges higher, also because we have those geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine. You already know that maybe the yeah, we have something like risk off sentiment into the markets. That's why the price of gold really is. Also higher inflation reported by, I don't know, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Eurozone or something like this. So the inflationary pressure also forces the price of gold, the yellow metal, to grow. So I don't know exactly Orlando's trades right now here, but yeah, he's in deep profit. Yeah, I believe he entered long here after this retreat. Yeah, something like this, and also here after this retreat. So let's take a look. Maybe from here, yeah, more than 600 pips here on gold. And also maybe from here, let's take a look, something like this on his second trade, maybe almost 400 pips or something. So yeah, really good trade in gold by Orlando. Yeah, so yeah, if you are not already long on gold, maybe you should wait, I don't know, maybe for a new temporary retreat drop, because maybe the price will come back to retest the broken levels before jumping higher or something. Is the video I see nobody moving right now. Okay, yeah, thank you. So if you are not already long, yeah, if you are not a VIP member, if you didn't enter it long, if you didn't follow it Orlando's trades, maybe you should wait, maybe for a retreat, temporary drop or something, maybe before you'll catch a new leg higher. Yeah, so something like this is my opinion about gold. Is strongly bullish, yeah, and I believe that Orlando will still keep his trades. Yeah, he took profits here on gold only because it's very important also to secure your trades, to move the stop loss to break even, and also to take profits, to take partials, yeah, and maybe to let a small part, yeah, right, or something. So 1916.61, so 1916.61 stands as a potential upside target, yeah, if the price will continue to grow. But as I've said, I want to see something like this. Yeah, and the temporary retreat, the temporary drop, test retest of the immediate support levels could bring new buying opportunities in gold. Yeah. Silver, let's talk about silver as well. Maybe later today. FOMC member Bullard speaks, could bring some volatility or something, or if you're trading maybe the New Zealand dollar, you should Siva, please give free signals every day, at least one signal. Yeah, unfortunately we are I don't know, sending free trades to the free groups. I don't know, maybe only 20% of the VIP content or something, so you will not get free trades every day, because this is crazy to send you guys free trades every day. Yeah, but of course, if you want to get all our trades, trade management, all our content, to have access to our VIP webinars, to get all our videos, market breakdowns, data, news, yeah, analysis, all our content, you can become a VIP member accessing the link posted right below this video. Yeah, for only £35 per month. I'm from Sri Lanka. Yeah, thanks for joining me here. Oh, okay, thanks, and sorry for mistaking it. No, no, don't worry. So something like this, guys. Also tomorrow, retail sales from Canada. Also non-farm employment change. If you are trading, of course, the Canadian dollar, we'll take a look on that market as well. So let's take a look on silver. It's still bullish, as I've said yesterday, guys, in a daily video. I talked about something like this here. Something like this, yeah, I believe. So the price was around these levels. So I've told you that if the price continues to stay above the uptrend line, test retest, valid breakout, could signal potential upside continuation here in silver. So yeah, personally, I'm still searching for something, or actually, I don't know, maybe we'll have something like this. Yeah, after test retest here of the upper medium line, retest of the uptrend line, breakout, and here something like a retest. So maybe we'll have a new opportunity here in silver. Let's take a look. But I don't know. Yeah, I really want to catch something really good, and to maybe something like this. Let's take a look. Yeah, but I don't know if I can trade it on the real account, only because yeah, I don't know if I can trade it with a small lot size, only because yeah, maybe I will have to hide my stop loss here below these levels. Maybe personally I'll wait here for something, for the price of silver to come back to retest these. Maybe I could catch something here, maybe a false breakdown and great separation, a strong bullish engulfing or something. So yeah, right now the price of silver is bullish. I'm looking for something. I'll wait maybe for something here really good in silver, because yeah, personally I will not open trades. Only how to get VIP channel free, which broker? Please email support Siva, Sasi. They will help you if you want to, yeah, to get that lifetime subscription or something. But please email support. Yeah, they will come back to you and they will answer to all your questions, because I don't know exactly what brokerage company you can use, maybe in your country or something. So yeah, please email support if you have questions about brokerage companies, subscription services or something, because personally I'm here to talk about markets. So US oil, let's take a look. So strong uptrend here, upside movement, and yeah, maybe the US oil could register only temporary declines, as you can see here. Yeah, so after something like a strong leg higher, strong rally, temporary drop before a new leg higher, temporary drop before a new leg higher or something. So here this could be only a temporary retreat, temporary drop, but yeah, something like this or something like this here, because yeah, I'm still searching for something here. I don't know if this could be, let's take a look, something like a channel, like a flag pattern, but I don't know, something like this. Maybe if the price will stay actually maybe here above this former low 90.65, guys. Godspeed, Freeman. Yeah, thank you. Something like this, guys. So here US oil temporary retreat, maybe, in my opinion, as long as it stays above this former low. Only false breakdown, also something like a down channel. This down channel could represent maybe a bullish pattern, but yeah, only after the price maybe will move sideways here, test retest, its failure to come back down to test retest the down channel's support, downside line, and maybe a sideways movement here, test retest, I don't know, followed by a valid breakout above the downtrend line could signal a new like higher swing higher here in US oil. But yeah, I'm looking for something like this, and yeah, only something like this, maybe a new lower low, valid breakdown below the channel's downside line could signal potential strong downside movement. Okay, please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, US dollar, Canadian dollar, because I've had the question earlier. So let's take a look. If you remember, I've talked about this market, about this range, extended range before 1.2796, 1.2650 in my previous live sessions, webinars. And right now, maybe the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar could develop this triangle here. So I'll wait for the price to escape from this maybe minor triangle here, and that maybe to escape, to register a valid breakout from the current range, maybe before I will go long or short. Yeah, because right now, yeah, it's risky to go long or short, to buy it or sell it here, as long as the price continues to move sideways. And please guys, don't forget to like this video. Harry, US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. So right now I don't have something really good here on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. DXY. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still there. It's still above the weekly pivot point, above 95.75. But maybe I want to see something here, like a strong confirmation, maybe that the price will jump higher or something, because yeah, this could still be only a temporary retreat to test retest this zone. I want to see here something like test retest, false breakdowns or something before jumping higher. All right, US dollar, Mexican peso. Let's take a look. So support zone here as well on US dollar versus the Mexican peso, but yeah, the volatility is high here, strong movements. So something like this maybe. But please take a look here, that aggressive breakout, but can go long US dollar, Mexican peso. I don't know, you can do whatever you want. If you want to go long, it's your call. But personally, after something like this, okay, we are in a support zone here, former lows, but I told you that the dollar index could still drop deeper. The Rick Tyler, Euro, British Pound. Yeah, I will take a look on that market after I will finish here with US dollar versus the Mexican peso. So please take a look here. So an immediate downtrend line, breakout, and right now the price drop it below this broken downtrend line. It has failed to stabilize above it. So only, in my opinion, staying above this zone, test retest here of the broken downtrend line, test retests, false breakdowns, a new higher high could signal potential reversal, bullish reversal here in the short term on the US dollar versus the Mexican peso. But I've told you that as long as the dollar index continues to drop, the US dollar could slip lower as well. That's why personally I will wait with that US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, US dollar Singapore dollar trade. Yeah, maybe long position opportunity. Yeah, US dollar South African rand, something like this. But unfortunately I don't have something really good here on this market. The pressure is still high here as long as it stays right below this immediate downtrend line. In my opinion, I don't have something really good after yeah, breakdown below the immediate lows or something. Yeah, the pressure is still high here. Yeah, after ignoring the former lows. Lizzie, good afternoon. Yeah, hi, how are you? Can you also check Palladium? Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. So Euro, British Pound, and then we'll talk about US equities. So Euro, British Pound. Yeah, in the short term, the British Pound is still the British Pound is still strong. Also, let's take a look here, British Pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, strong rally. And if you remember, I've talked about something like this. If the price will jump and close and stabilize above the immediate downtrend line, a new higher high could signal potential growth, at least towards 1.3627 range resistance. Yeah, because yeah, the currency pair is trapped between 1.3627 1.3504. So Euro, British Pound, something like this. Personally, I have a descending pitchfork here, 1, 2, and 3. And right now it has reached again the medium line of the descending pitchfork, but the pressure is still high as long as it stays below this downtrend line, guys. And maybe staying above the medium line, moving sideways or something, and valley breakout could signal that this could be something like a falling wedge pattern, and could signal a potential rebound, a potential growth here. But I don't know, I don't have an opinion here. I'm not trading this market too often. I don't have it on my watch list, but if you want me to talk about it, yeah, maybe I will keep an eye on this one here. Yeah, maybe we had an opportunity, a selling opportunity here. Okay, it's also important for you to watch these webinars. Maybe you can learn a lot from these webinars. So something like this: rebound, temporary drop, test retests, yeah, false breakout with great separation above the downtrend line, above the weekly pivot point, bearish engulfing, and here new lower low. Yeah, we missed an opportunity here. So breakdown, retest. Okay, so something like this here on the US 30, guys. So on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, this up channel, yeah, this up channel here as a bearish pattern. Here temporary rebound. Yeah, you can see this this zone here as support. Turn it into a resistance, and I don't know, here maybe new lower low. If the price will drop close, if it will maybe drop and close and stabilize below this immediate low, could open the door for a deeper drop. And yeah, maybe we'll have something like this. And also, as long as it stays below the immediate downtrend line. My opinion here about US 30. Okay. US 100. Yeah, right now also here. So this is my opinion here in US 100, guys. I don't have something really good, that's why I don't want to open a trade right now. US 500, let's take a look. Yeah, and here on the US 500, something like a double top here. Okay, something like this here on US 500. I hope that you can still hear me, and I hope that everything is okay. So yeah, something like potential double top here, something like a neckline here as well. Yeah, valid breakdown, and in my opinion on the lower low here, if it will maybe drop and close and stabilize, could signal potential downside continuation here on US 500, guys. So also here something like this. Yeah, so let's take a look again. Euro US dollar is still there. I talked about this market earlier in a video analysis. It's still there right below the downtrend line, below 1.1374. Yeah. US dollar, Singapore dollar is still there. Bitcoin, let's take a look. Whoa. Strong sell-off on Bitcoin, guys. If you like cryptocurrencies, yeah, so if you like cryptocurrencies, here is Bitcoin. Test retests of the 61.8, 44,469.0303. Warning line, the first warning line of the descending pitchfork. Sell-off, strong sell-off right now. Yeah, and let's wait and see how the price of Bitcoin will react here around the 41,741, around the uptrend line. Okay. So about Ethereum, guys, very important here. Yeah, it has escaped from this pattern, from this up channel, temporary drop, test retest here. Ethereum dropped and slipped lower only because the price of Bitcoin dropped as well. Yeah, as you already know, I'm using this correlation. But as long as it stays above this downtrend line here, above above this low here, former low 2830.010101, this could be only a temporary drop. Yeah, and only I believe that a new lower low here could signal a potential strong drop. So this could be only a temporary drop. Yeah, test retest here before turning to the upside, before jumping higher. Yeah, something like this in Ethereum. Yeah, sorry Lizzie. Yeah, I will end this webinar here because it seems that I have some I don't know, some technical problems with that streaming software. And yeah, don't forget that I'm still looking at that US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. If you are a VIP member, you will get it. Yeah, you will get all our trades, my trades, Orlando's trades. Yeah, trade management, yen basket. Before I will end this webinar, let's take a look here on the yen basket. Yeah, in the short term it moves somehow sideways. I don't know, something like an indecision or something here on yen basket. That's why personally I don't want to go long or short here on the Japanese yen, because yeah, the yen basket is undecided here in the short term. Personally, I want to see something like this. Potential growth, strong growth, to take out the immediate downtrend lines, to confirm a strong upwards movement, a strong upside movement. An upside continuation will announce that the Japanese yen will appreciate versus its rivals. And something like this valid breakdown here could signal maybe a potential downside continuation, strong drop. And if this scenario will take shape, then the Japanese yen could appreciate versus its rivals. I could take a look on, or actually I will search for Japanese yen shorts. Okay, something like this. So as long as it stays right below this downtrend line, above the uptrend line, no, I will not take any trade on the Japanese yen right now, as long as it stays, or as long as it's trapped between these two obstacles, right? Okay. Something like this. Dollar index. Yeah. So so I was live here for I don't know, 45 minutes, something like this. Unfortunately, I've had some technical problems here, but don't worry. If you are a VIP member, you will get all my trades, trade management, market breakdowns, more videos, yeah, market analysis, written analysis, video analysis, data, news, and you will get everything